They wanted to relocate that hallway a little bit the other way into that multi-purpose room, perhaps. I don't know, I'll put that as a question mark.
Okay.
And then I'm wondering, where's the movie theater in this place? Movie theater, like,
Turn the gym into a movie theater.
like, it's one of those rooms that you can get a screening and it comes down. And if it's a true rec center, I think that would be a great option too for kids. If it's raining outside, bring them in and show a movie sometimes. Especially a good Glory Road or some kind of Disney inspirational type thing.
The Val concept is fantastic upstairs, we're fine with that. I would like to definitely see more storage on the lower level, backside of, existing court one. Square that off, bring it down right to the end of the building on the storage space there.
Okay. So far, everybody wants bigger.
Well, we, the office area, we just talk about storage, you just never seem to have enough. When you think you've got enough, you're short 25 feet.
Yeah, when you think you have enough, you're wrong. Anybody else? All right, this thing.
All right, I do agree with leveling out the buildings, going all straight corners, bringing out the spaces. The second deck too, as well. Taking this area that was gonna be like where you're gonna overdeck or what you're gonna do, just, can we make it even all the way across? Is there a reason why you're going to the gym height and then we're cutting down?
No.
Okay, I would like to see that all the same and then build out now. This second deck, because even though we don't have a plan for this second deck, doesn't mean we won't later. There's a lot of events that probably will come later, like say a party room for birthday parties that we can utilize a room for. Yep. Also, there's some of the classrooms that you have a good idea with the movie theaters. Maybe make like an MMA night or football night, have like a little movie theater for these kids to come to. I think it'd be good. But at the end of the day, but at the end of the day, we can build the best place ever, but you have to bring the kids in and do it. Oh yeah.
Yeah, somebody brought up doing an inside track, like putting it like above the basketball area. Because sometimes the width's too hot to run out here. So we have water runners, so build an inside track.
Versatility is really key. The one thing personally that I wrestle with is the homework thing, only because and maybe that's the place where kids would want to go to do that, but I kind of look at that and I say, okay, that's kind of what they do at school, at home, and then you go to the library. Is that really something we want to use up space here? Is it needed, so to speak, or would they be better off? I don't know how you do. You got kids running around doing American Ninja parkour and then all this other stuff going on, and you got kids that are trying to do homework. I don't know how it all fits together, but it seems to me like you got the library right here. You've got the schools that are close by. But if there's a need and they'll use it, then I guess we should look at dedicating space for it.
Well, then it's gonna have to be.
Well, I mean, I'm sure you realize all the functions and features and quality, we can't do everything. That's why we want kind of both, we're gonna look and see what things get the most action, what things get the most traction. So, all those are great, and you're doing this for them.
Well, and that's why I will say this. I'm a little disappointed we don't have more of them here tonight, honestly. Because that, you're right, this is for a lot of them, not all of them. This is a facility that we want, whether you're 2 years old or you're 82 years old, we want to have stuff here for folks to do no matter what. Well, oftentimes we
So you saw kind of the small group we had at the rec in the afternoon, but we also run summer camps in the summer, and we knew this was coming, so our staff, this is kind of normal for them. Like, they talk to the kids regularly, and they write things down, and they find out what they are. Some of the things you see on this list came from them. So when you vote tonight, some of it came. As you know, most children are not comfortable in this kind of setting. So, we have to get them where they're comfortable. They're comfortable at the rec. They're comfortable at summer camp. I do think we can reach out to some of the schools and lot with a blank, empty room. You don't necessarily need to have a lot of fixed structures. We talk about this a lot, about we over-program our parks. When we built Riverwalk Park, that was one of the things we talked about, is that we don't want to put a bunch of amenities. We want people to come out and be creative and use the space as they see fit. So our job is to provide them the canvas, which is what this is for tonight, is the canvas. Because trends change, Fortnite's big now. There was just a bunch of people sitting outside of the song, they were playing that Pokemon Go, right? So these are trending, and what I think is being a public recreation is important is that we're good stewards of our money, especially, our council is also very good stewards of